Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to Luna Classic update today. And previously on the private, I actually gave a message on 1st of August that I'm not in any short-term trade. I'm noticing some final discounts. That means August and September are not so friendly. We might get Luna Classic at 5,500 and paper near 6,000. So back then at 1st of August, what was the price, by the way? On the 1st of August, this was going to be yeah, we were up to 8387. Okay, we were trading right over here, and I said that, you know what, I'm actually not taking any trade and we might see a push something like this to go to the downside. Well, another message that even is more incredible is that this was back in July 18. I said, this is what I'm thinking for our next trade, Luna Classic. I have some 2 or 3 other coin in mind as well. And I posted this picture that we potentially might just see a drop down, and that would actually be our entry. So this is why I'm actually telling people, hey, you know what? Join the private. It's paid, but look at what we're doing, all right? Look at how much money we saved and how cheap we're entering right now, because I just took the trade for Luna Classic, right? I just took the trade for Luna Classic. Boom, Luna Classic, buy at 5697. Simple. And that's the thing right there. Oh, and in order for you to join Discord, check the comment section for the link, and I've actually dropped the invitation link for you to join for absolutely free. Now at the moment, I'm not going to stretch anything too much. Luna Classic to me has a falling wedge, right? Number one. Number two is, in the future, at least in the Q4, coming up in Q4, I expect Luna Classic to try to come up and break above and start its journey back up to this target here, which can actually even be 22203. So in the future, I do expect this prices to come up, and that from our entry 567 something, this is going to be nearly 263%, hopefully. So I still do not have too much expectation in August, but I'm going to enter at this price, because for me this is way too cheap for me to just not enter. And September is also not very trustable, to be honest with you. Like, September is not also very good. But then from there we start Q4, and Q4 can actually be when we get the glorious time. All right, so we get October, November, December, and those 3 months can actually change a lot. It can make a huge difference, because look, man, whenever you go down, right, it just takes some few candles to recover. I mean, something like this can happen in Q4 one more time. You might actually stay down for quite some time, and then eventually somewhere in October pop up and go back up. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.